Heavy Equipment Safety Tips Part 5. Make eye contact with the other person. It is vital to maintain eye contact with a heavy equipment operator for safety reasons. It is ensured that both the operator and the surrounding workers are aware of each other by making eye contact. This prevents a machine or material from being swung at a stationary worker who might approach the line of fire. Make good use of communication signals. Radio communication between machine operators and support employees is common on construction sites. Knowing what others are doing and communicating changes in operation is critical for safety, and there is no better method to do so than through vocal communication. Radios, on the other hand, are not infallible. Hand signals that are clearly presented and understood are fail-safe communication methods. Have spotters on hand. Spotters are used by many construction equipment operators, including those who operate excavators, delivery trucks, and cranes. There are blind areas on every machine when the operator is visually challenged. Using a ground spotter is a high-value insurance policy against moving equipment or materials into potentially unsafe positions by accident. Determine a hazard zone and mark it. Hazards are efficiently communicated to anyone near construction equipment by marking a danger zone. The danger zone is defined as the area where the line of fire begins and ends. Barriers, fencing, or caution tape can easily be used to demarcate the risk zone. It's also effective to use simple signs that clearly explains the safety boundaries. Make sure you're aware of the situation. This is an important safety tip that cannot be overstated. Everyone on a construction site must be situationally aware of their surroundings. Overhead and subsurface risks are two of the most dangerous sources of injury. Power lines struck by booms or high dump boxes are examples of this. Electrical or gas lines can also be buried. It is possible to save lives by being aware of the circumstance. Keep your eyes and concentration on the task at hand. For your own safety, you must remain vigilant. Workers who keep their eyes and minds focused on the task at hand are significantly less likely to cause or be involved in an accident. Fatigue, complacency, frustration, and hurrying are all common causes of inattentiveness. Distractions like these, according to safety experts, can account for 95% of contributing variables in construction site accidents. Despite the fact that workers were aware of the threats, they did not consider or see them. Identify the equipment zone's entrances and exits. Equipment zones should have a specific entrance and entry, and those zones should have a clear and safe path that prevents operator blind spots. For more information, call 214-773-0207 or visit celiarconstructionequipment.com.